If you're considering buying MyAppFree, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before you make that final decision. Whether you're new to this type of app or have used similar ones, stick around because I'll be going through 7 crucial points that could save you time, money, and potential headaches. First, MyAppFree offers a pretty unique feature in the marketplace, a completely free trial. Unlike many of its competitors, where you might get a limited demo or a trial that's full of restrictions, MyAppFree gives you full access right from the start. This gives you a chance to test everything out before deciding whether to make the commitment. And I'll let you in on a little secret. You can get the best offer for this product and try it for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Next thing, unlike other apps where you're forced to dive deep into tutorials or spend days figuring out how to get started, MyAppFree makes the onboarding process incredibly simple. From the moment you sign up, the app walks you through everything. You don't have to be tech savvy to use it, which makes it an ideal choice for both beginners and more experienced users. The third thing you need to know is how it stacks up against other apps in terms of user experience. While competitors can sometimes feel cluttered or overcomplicated, MyAppFree stands out with its clean interface. Everything is easy to find and the controls are intuitive. I used it for a couple of weeks myself and was really impressed with how smooth everything ran. Now, the fourth thing worth mentioning is the price. MyAppFree is incredibly competitive compared to similar tools in the market. Most alternatives charge hefty monthly fees for their service, but with MyAppFree, you get a lot of functionality at a fraction of the cost. Plus, there's that free trial again, so you're not committing to anything until you're absolutely sure it's the right fit. The fifth thing, which is crucial for anyone who cares about security, is how MyAppFree handles your data. Unlike some apps that can be pretty vague about their privacy policies, MyAppFree is transparent about how they store and use your data. It's clear that user privacy is a priority, and that's something you don't always get with its competitors. If you're worried about keeping your info safe, this is a big win. Next, let's talk about integrations. If you're used to other software tools, you know that integration is a make or break feature. The good news is that MyAppFree integrates seamlessly with many other popular tools. Whether you're using it with Google Drive, Dropbox, or even other productivity apps, setting everything up is straightforward, and you won't have to jump through hoops just to connect everything. Lastly, support. One thing that really stood out to me is MyAppFree's customer support. While many apps leave you stuck with generic help articles or long waiting times, their support team is responsive and knowledgeable. In my experience, they really go the extra mile to solve issues quickly, which is something that can't be said for all of their competitors. So if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use app that offers a great free trial, excellent customer support, and a fair pricing structure, MyAppFree could be a game changer for you. If you want to give it a go and get some exclusive benefits, just click the first link in the description below to start your free trial. Don't wait, try it out for free today and see how it can work for you.